Okay, we're going to work on the basic facts 15, the guided part of it, the ones with letters. Go ahead and follow with me and work on your paper while you listen to the video. Okay, it says Avery drew 3 rows of shapes. Each row had the same number of shapes. One of the rows she drew is shown below. Okay, how many shapes are in 3 rows? So if this is 1 row, to figure out how many are in 3 rows, we need to figure out how much are in 1 row. Okay, so we can say, just count them. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And to figure out how many would be in 3 rows, that would be 3 times 9. And 3 times 9 equals 27. That'd be answer choice B. Okay. Go ahead and look at problem number B. Okay, Emilio placed his toy cars in 4 rows. Each row had the same number of cars. One of the rows is shown below. How many cars are in 4 rows? We'll figure out how many cars are in 1 row first. I can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. So 4 rows with 6 in each row equals 24. So we're looking at answer choice J. Go ahead and look at problem C now. Says Kenna has 5 stacks of books. Each stack had the same number of books. One of these stacks is shown below. How many books are in 5 stacks? So we'll figure out how many books there are here. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books. If there's 5 stacks, that'd be 5 times 7. And 5 times 7 equals 35. Answer choice D. And question D now. We're going to look at that. It says, Mrs. Mitchell made 5 bowls of ice cream for her children. She put 3 strawberries in each bowl of ice cream. Which model can be used to find the total number of strawberries she put in the bowls of ice cream? Important information is she made 5 bowls, and there's 3 strawberries in each bowl. And I'm going to box in this word each. It'd be a good time to talk about the get strategy. So I've got groups, I've got each, and I have total. And in this case, the bowls will be the 5, or the groups would be the 5, and those would be bowls. The each right there is the strawberries. There's 3. That's strawberries. So we're trying to figure out the total number of strawberries. That sounds like a multiplication problem. That's 5 times 3, and we know that equals 15. We look at our models right here. F has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and it looks like it has 3 in each row. So that looks like a very good possibility of how to do that, because that would be 15 strawberries, and it's even modeled in the way that our rows are always our groups, and our columns are going to be the each, or how many are in each group. You know, I could make it look sort of like that there. Those are my groups now, or my bowls of ice cream. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So that makes perfect sense. The next one, looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3. Looks like I got a row of 6 and a row of 3. That's 9. And it looks as if there's 2 of them. That would be 18. Which doesn't look like doesn't really make sense to me. The next one I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have 1, 2, 3. That's a group of 5 and a group of 3, which is 8 strawberries. But that math problem would be 5 plus 3. Okay, and that's not how you'd figure out how many strawberries there are in 5 bowls. And this last one, we'll look at it. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I got another group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 6 plus 5. And that equals 11, but that isn't going to tell us how many strawberries are in the 5 bowls. Okay, so our correct answer is going to be F. Okay, now what you need to do is go ahead and you're going to work on these independently on your own, these multiplication problems. They're in Schoology, an assessment in Schoology, so there's a blue puzzle piece right after this video. Go ahead and do these, submit them, work them out, and then if you miss any, go back and check and figure out which ones you missed. Hopefully you make 100. Best of luck to you. We'll talk to you later.